Hey guys, good morning. So it's been a while since the last time na nag-vlog tayo. So today, meron tayong mini loop, Laguna mini loop. So I'm here at Petron Philinvest. Sir,
Premium, wala din.
yung ano, XCS Premium full tank. So magpapagas muna tayo guys. So of course, magte-test tayo guys ng oil today. So yung oil na iti-test natin is MOBIL1 for shoutout Motovita. So full tank natin guys, and then we will check if okay ba yung fuel consumption niya, and then if meron tayong mararamdaman na improvement sa performance ng bike natin. So short ride lang to, pero the thing is it's a wet Saturday, so sana naman medyo makisama yung weather. So guys, full tank tayo ng 8.92 liters kasi may laman pa naman yung tank natin. So 602.10. So later we'll measure kung gaano kalaki yung kahaba yung tinakbo natin. So ayan guys, I reset the trip meter. So before tayo umuwi later, pagas tayo ulit, and then let's see how many kilometers we've ridden, and then we'll also check how much yung papagas natin. So I think that's around 180 kilometers lang naman yung mini loop na yun na gagawin namin today. Alright guys, kita-kita tayo sa daan. So dito kami guys sa SLEX Shell. So may kasama tayo naka Z1 MT-09 CBR 500R, and then yung bike natin. So biyahe muna kami guys ng turbina kasi biglang sumama talaga yung panahon. So we're not sure kung didiretso kami dun sa loop or mag-lomi ride na lang kami. So malaman natin guys pagdating natin dun. Alright. Guys, sama ng panahon, so wala. I think babalik kami guys, maglulomi lang talaga siguro dito kasi dito kami maglulomi sa may turbina, sa may bago mag Santo Tomas, Batangas. Wala guys I mean wala man lang kahit anong shade ng araw. Tapos yung weather pa, yung ganyang weather, di ba? Yan yung matagal tumigil, guys. Yan yung matagal lang siya na maambon, umuulan, yung ganon. So pag ganitong weather, sarap itulog na lang. Ayun guys, medyo nagkaroon kami ng konting insidente. Tumumba yung kasama namin na naka CBR 500R. Medyo yung slope kasi galing dun sa gas station uneven, so siguro dumulas yung paa niya. So good thing okay na naman siya, wala naman naging serious na damage or kung ano man sa kanya.
Few moments later.
So uwi na guys, breakfast lang kami, quick breakfast sa Mommy's Garden Cafe. Wala, talagang it's not meant to ride today because of the weather. So ganitong weather, mahirap makipagsabayan. Marami pa naman ibang araw, guys. So it's not push ourselves so hard para pahirapan natin yung ating mga sarili. So yun guys, malapit na tayo sa bahay. At yun nga, so uwi na lang tayo ulit at hindi natuloy ang ating mini Laguna loop because of the bad weather. So tumakbo tayo guys ng 74.6 kilometers. Let's say 75 na kasi papagas pa ako. And then shout out. And then I will check kung how many liters have we consumed. So moment of truth tayo guys. Alright guys, so we consumed 3 liters, 3.22 liters. Tipid for 75 kilometers. So 25 kilometers, around 25-24 kilometers. 216 wait lang. So matipid siya guys. Imagine 3.22 liters. So 75 kilometers. So around guys 24 25 kilometers per liter. So ang tipid guys. Panalo itong MOBIL1 kasi nasa lang ako nito guys although yeah, have to consider that medyo alala yung takbo natin. Siyempre consider natin yon, hindi tayo masyado naghahataw, so alala yung takbo. Pero even though, kasi ang average ko dito lagi nasa 18 lang ako dito, 18, 19, which is yung hataw talaga yun. Siyempre 17 liters, 17 kilometers. Pero ngayon lang umabot ng 24-25 kilometers per liter. Shout out Moto Vita, ang ganda ng MOBIL1. God, so sa makina very smooth pa din. Siyempre panalo. Alright guys, so I'll be ending my vlog na here. And thank you so much for, of course, riding with me. And kita-kits tayo ulit guys sa susunod na vlog natin. Thank you.